The base Macan is equipped with factory steel springs. If you have a GTS, air suspension, or PASM, you have to follow the following steps to safely lift the vehicle, even if you are just changing a flat tire at the side of the road. Begin by making sure you are on a flat, level, hard surface. Set the parking brake, blue arrow, then press and hold the lowering button for at least 10 seconds, red arrow. Once you see the level adjust switched off in the gauge, you are safe to lift the vehicle, red arrow. If you do not do this, the vehicle will try and level itself as you lift it, and it can lead to all kinds of problems. Everything you need to perform an emergency tire change is in the trunk under the trunk cover. The jack and wheel lug are on the left side of the spare, red arrow, and the wheel chocks and tire iron are on the right side, blue arrow. Only use these in emergencies. If you are going to be working on your Macan, get a proper jack, stands, and wheel chocks. Porsche has included some cool fold-out wheel chocks by the tire iron. Unfold these and chock the wheels you are not lifting to help keep the vehicle from rolling. The emergency jack can be used in any of the 2 lifting locations on each side as noted in the next frame. A word about the jack. If you have a GTS, you cannot use it without damaging the side skirt. The screw mechanism contacts the skirt, red arrow, and will damage the bodywork if you attempt to lift it this way. There are 2 lift points on each side of the Macan, one behind the front wheels and one in front of the rear wheels, red arrows. While we are on this image, the simplest, safest way to lift your Macan is to use a quick jack. This shows the quick jack with the SUV extension plate and risers. This will get the vehicle quickly and safely up in the air and give you maximum room to work. If you're going to be DIYing your Macan, a quick jack might be the best investment you make. The factory lift points are designed to fit the emergency jack, red arrow. When lifting with a floor jack, make sure to place the jack pad squarely over the lifting point. While the undercarriage is covered with panels, there are small access panels for placing the jack stands, red arrow. On the front, remove the 2 T25 torque screws, yellow arrows, and pull the panel out. With the panel removed, you can see where you can support the vehicle with jack stands. These are actually the factory lift points that the Macan travels on while being manufactured, red arrow. You will want to use a flat top jack stand with a pad. We use the ESCO jack stands. Pelican sells them, and the 3-legged design really helps out with the tight space restrictions between the jack while lifting and where you need to place the stands. The rear access panel is held in place by a single T25 torque screw, red arrow. Remove the screw and pull the panel off. With the panel off, you can see the support point to place the jack stand, red arrow. Again, there is not a lot of space between where the floor jack will be and the support point, which is why I like the ESCO jack stands. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.